guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today's video comes at a very exciting time. Today I have my first ever haute couture show, and I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, my cheeks are hot, but it's my first ever haute couture show. I actually do have a couple of shows in the week, so I did end up going and picking out a bunch of things from basically everywhere. If you guys know or don't know, I studied fashion and I've only ever studied haute couture. To even think that I will be invited to a show like this is just absolutely crazy, and I'm going with an amazing brand that I've loved so much. If you guys want to be in the moment with me, I will be posting things over my story and on my TikTok, so be sure to follow me on there if you're not already. But I'm so excited, like I can't believe it. I'm honestly living a full circle moment. So obviously with the excitement, I did end up spending a ton of money. I for sure can tell you that American Express is gonna call me tomorrow and tell me that your account is hacked and you need to verify yourself, because yeah, and I've had to tell them that it is me. It's all me, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the video. I've not tried any of these things on. We're gonna unbox them together, and you guys are gonna help me pick which outfit I should wear tonight, and if it's not tonight, I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the shows. So comment down below which one are your favorite pieces, and yeah, I'm too excited, so let's just get unboxing. This is one of the boxes. I thought go big or go home. Let's get started with the biggest one. By the way, I don't know what's in any of these. I'm just going to basically open them. This is my first time buying from this place. This is Louis Savagna Roma. I've never ever purchased from here. I thought it was gonna take a bit of time, but it was actually pretty fast, which I was really surprised. I basically got a dress that I got from Maya Teresa, but on here it was a lot cheaper, so I think I'm gonna keep the dress in here. And the dress that I'm talking about is the MAGDA BUTRYM dress. I've always loved their dresses, and you guys, I'm so excited. I'm too excited. I ended up buying 3 dresses from here, 2 MAGDA BUTRYM dresses and 1 self-portrait dress. Oh my god. So this is the dress from Self-Portrait. This is not part of Fashion Week, so I don't know if I want to show you guys this right now. I will put it on for you just to show you how it is, but it's not the video. That's not for today. This is the MAGDA BUTRYM dress that I've always wanted to try. Oh my god, I also got it in this red rose. Guys, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. We're gonna try this on for you guys. I'm overwhelmed. We're gonna get started with this. When I saw this online, I honestly fell in love with the red roses. The red is like the perfect red. I'm always very picky with reds, but this is just delicious. I also love how low cut it is. This one fits a lot more tighter than the black one. I think I'm just gonna put tape on this side if I were to wear this, because it is stunning and I don't really need to touch it as much as the black one. I also love the back. It is such a stunning dress. Why is it so big? I do have my nipple covers on, and you guys can see it's literally coming down, but I think if I just put tape right here, it should be okay. I also think maybe if I put something that would just go over my neck and probably leave some of my hair down, I could get away with it not looking like it's going to fall off me, because the problem is this is a whole wire that holds up the dress like that. So if I can just have like something black going around my neck, nobody will know that it doesn't fit me that well, and it's also like I'll just be safe making sure that it doesn't drop. I am going to have to steam this because I can tell it's literally so creased, but I just love how this looks on. I did end up getting this in a size 36, and that is basically equivalent to a size 8 UK. So if you guys are confused with the sizing, That's basically a size 8 UK. You can find out what your size is by using the size guide on the page, and it was very, very helpful. And because I believe that's like Italian sizes, I'm not sure, someone correct me if I'm wrong. I also fell in love with the black one, and I absolutely love this. They basically have the same construction, and this is from their autumn winter 23 collection. Guys, I'm in love with this. I've seen this on the runway and it just looks delicious. Let's try it on. Guys, I wish I got this in a smaller size because it is not fitting me like how I would like it to. So the top bit, however, it's so beautiful. I'm wearing the Jimmy Choo heels, but it's just not fitting. I need it in a smaller size. I need it to be like that. I don't know if I should just quickly amend, but it's so beautiful. This one I got from Self Portrait, also from Louis Vanaroma. Oh my god, that word is just so long. I freaking love this. I'll show you guys how it looks like. Oh my god. When I saw this, I was like, take my money now. This was half price. I went into Selfridges yesterday because I thought none of these packages were gonna arrive, and I saw this and it was $499, but I actually purchased it for 200 and something pounds. Guys, if you want it for cheaper, I'll leave it linked down below. But in love, it's giving Chanel, it's giving sophisticated, and I know that I'm gonna wear this outfit for life because it's timeless. This with like Dior, the Dior heels would just look delicious. I also love that it comes with a skirt. So the skirt is separate. You guys, this is heaven. Do you see my waist? My waist is just, I feel like Mary Poppins, but the elegant kind of Mary Poppins. I mean, Mary Poppins is elegant, but this is delicious. The fit is lush. The length of the sleeves, amazing. I love how it just cinches me in really nicely, and the skirt, delicious. They are both separate pieces, but there is a fastening on the side that basically you can make them into a dress, hence why they both just look so good together. It looks like a dress, but it's not. They're both separate. It also comes with this long thing, obviously, just, you know, for anyone that loves to wear something and return it. This is for the sole purpose of that. But I've left it on because I'm still in kind of two minds. I don't like deciding too quickly on whether I'm gonna keep something. I'm gonna think about it. I know for sure I'm gonna keep this one. I love the boucle jacket. Look how stunning it is. It's got these button detailing that just looks so nice. It's giving Chanel, it's giving elegance, it's everything and more. I know I'm going to be wearing this basically for the rest of my life. I just hope I don't change my size because this is delicious. Oh my god, you guys, I love. I'm also wearing the Jimmy Choo heels. I've basically wore this for all the outfits I've shown you guys, and they are comfortable. I mean, it's good that I'm testing them out now because I'm gonna have a long night wearing them, but they are so comfy. I just wanna guys, oh my god, I am in love. You know how I said I got the MAGDA and BUTRYM dress twice? I also got it from Maya Teresa, but I don't know if I should open it. Just in case I probably got something else, I'm just gonna open it. I think it's the same dress. Yeah, it's the same dress. So from Maya Teresa, I got the dress for 822, and I believe on Louisa, yeah, I got it for, I think it was 500. Guys, bargain. The dress used to be 1,370 pounds. So, you know I love a bargain, but we don't need to try this again. From Maya Teresa, I also got something else. I always love how elegant the packaging is. It's just like, and I've got a really lovely note here. It's just so nice. Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by, and then the person signs it. I just think it's so special. Let's see what I got. Okay, this is a different dress that I got here. This, oh Jesus is Lord. This dress, I saw it and I fell in love, and automatically right now I'm falling in love even more because I can see how long it is. I was a little bit skeptical with the length, seeing as I really wanted it like long, and it is long. So it has this mesh on the side. You don't need to wear anything with this. We're not wearing anything with this at all because it just sells. One thing I am not too happy about is the neckline. The neckline is raw edge, but I get they have basically taped inside. I get it, but I'm just, I don't know. How much did I pay for this? So for this one, I paid £309. For the price, I wish that they, I don't know. I just want something different. I don't want tape. But the tape is very high quality. I can tell the tape is very high quality. It's also dyed to match, and it looks nice. I'm just really surprised with that construction, especially for such an expensive dress. But overall, the material feels nice. The length feels delicious. I got this in a size small, and this is Norma Kamali. My first time actually buying any of their dresses. I am in love. I'm just not happy about the tape, but let's try it on and see how it fits. Guys, this dress, I take back what I said with the tape. It is lush. I see why they did the tape instead of like a normal seam, because it just basically makes it a continuous dress with no seams, and it looks so stunning. I love the neckline. I love the armholes. They are very flush. I see why they went with tape. I forgot to wear my nipple covers. Hope you guys can't see it. But how lush is this? I also love this side detailing. I am wearing knickers. It's stopping here, basically thongs. It's stopping here. So this side bit is actually not too bad. I thought maybe I wouldn't need to wear knickers with this, but you can actually get away with wearing like skinny thongs and you can't really tell. I love this side. Oh my god. And the length of this is just delicious. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Let me stand here so you guys can see. Do you see that? It is lush. I need to show you guys a close-up of this side bit because, oh yeah, my dimples. This is just gorge. I'm also wearing these earrings from Amazon, but they look like Bottega earrings, and I just think it goes really well with this bag. I always hate complicated boxes. Like, why do you gotta be so complicated? I know what these are. Oh my god. You guys, I've fallen in love with Jimmy Choo. It's like Confession of a Shopaholic. When I watched it when I was young, I didn't understand how someone could be so stupid and go bankrupt over shoes and clothes. And I feel like I'm living that era right now. So I bought myself my third pair of Jimmy Choos. You don't need 3 Jimmy Choos, but they're so cute. A little story time. I bought these and then I returned them. I got them from Harrods. They came, all the Jimmy Choo's shoes came, and I was like, I can't have 3 Jimmy Choo pairs of Jimmy Choos, so I returned this one and I bought it back again because they're so cute. Guys, I have a problem. I have a problem. I honestly have a problem, but they are so beautiful. They are stunning, and I know that they're gonna go with all the dresses that I bought today. They are just so stunning. I'm sorry, like, how can I return these? I have this pair that I bought for myself for Christmas, and I've basically fallen in love with them. And they are just so stunning. So they've got this bedazzle going on, and I really love this, you guys. I have wore it quite a few times. They are so comfortable. When I tell you they're so comfortable, I got these, I'll show you guys where I got these from. I did get them on sale. They were on sale, I believe, for half the price. These black ones are also on sale for half the price, which I will link them down below for you guys. But these have been the most comfortable heels I have ever worn, and they are so sexy, so delicious. This is my other pair of Jimmy Choos that I got as a gift over Christmas, but I am so in love with these heels. Hence why I got a third pair, because they are so comfortable. I never actually thought Jimmy Choo heels were gonna be comfortable until I wore this on a night out. It was for my friend's birthday. I freaking love them and they are so beautiful. I've always wanted gold heels, but I wanted heels that will basically last me a lifetime, and I think these will. But obviously at the rate that I'm wearing them, they might not last me that long, but I absolutely love them. I will obviously link everything down below for you guys. One thing I would say with this one is like a basic kind of heel, so I don't know how comfortable these will be because look at the height and the gradient. I'm also questioning this. I haven't worn, of course, but we're gonna wear them tonight and I will keep you guys posted over on my story and let you guys know how they basically fit. I went into Selfridges because I thought that the dresses were not gonna come on time. Obviously the second package has not arrived, but I went into Selfridges. I wanted to basically look at other pieces and basically just have an array of selection, and I ended up going into House of CB. I wasn't thinking about wearing House of CB for Fashion Week, but when I went in there, I tried on this beautiful dress. It is gorgeous. It is long. My theme for Fashion Week is to basically wear long black dresses. I just feel like I myself, when I wear black and when I'm fully covered, so that was basically the theme. When I went into CB, I wasn't really thinking about getting a dress for Fashion Week, but when I saw this dress, it was giving NENSI. I will show you guys the designer. It just looks so lush and I love it. It is so beautiful on. I'm trying to show you guys how it basically looks like. It's got this low V at the front, this mesh halter situation, the mesh sleeves. This was so difficult to put on, but I finally did. This House of CB, wow, you are killing it. I love this detail. And the back, this is how it looks like. It was a bit tricky to zip it up. You need someone for this, but you guys, this is so stunning. And I also don't mind that the shoulders are coming down, but I think once I cut this lanyard, I'm still in two minds whether I'm gonna keep this dress or not. But I absolutely love this. I also love the split at the back. This dress on is just so sexy, so elegant. I absolutely love this. I got this in a size small. Yes, I got this in a size small. I freaking love this dress. Look what just arrived from Net-a-Porter. This is the rest of the dresses that I picked. So let's try them on together. I'm trying to think what I got, but nothing is springing to mind. I mean, are you surprised it's another black dress? Oh my god, I know this dress. I'm gonna put it on. I'm not sure what I think about this because I did end up getting this in a size medium. I'm usually an extra small at the top, but for dresses I will probably get a 6. Do you guys see how it would look like if it was actually a size 6? I don't know. The fit is still there, but I just feel like, do you see this going on? Like, you can tell from the side that there is just excess fabric going on there. So I feel like if I did get in a size 6, even a size small, extra small, I think a size 6 will be nice because the material is a little bit rigid but stretchy. It looks like it fits, but I just know myself, I would like it to be like that. This is probably a no. And also it is so long. By the way, this dress is from Copiani and I always wanted this dress. I did see this on the website and I did not even think twice about buying it because it was coming home with me. However, it was just not on my size. I would definitely be getting this in a size small. I do also don't like the color. Do you guys see it's not black? It is kind of like a navy-ish color and I don't like navy. I love my things black, so that's another thing that I'm not so happy about. I wish it was like black. Like, I need it to be black. However, this is so cute and you can also like bring it down so you can have like your belly button showing, or you can kind of like put it up. If only it fit. Like, look how stunning it would look like if it did fit. Anyways guys, that is all I picked for today. I mean, I have the second boss on its way. I don't know when that's gonna come, but I'll probably do like a haul over on my TikTok, so be sure to follow me on there. Let me know down below which dress you think I should wear and which one is your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video.